Hello everyone, welcome to the daily question analysis brought to you by Shankar IAS Academy. Before getting into the discussion, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to receive on-time update from Shankar IAS Academy. And please make sure that you watch the current affair analysis from the morning. And if all set, let's begin the discussion. But before that, we have an important announcement from Shankar IAS Academy. The UPSC 25 mains reflections is available in the IAS Parliament website. Please do check. And the next announcement is regarding the pre-storming prelims test series. The first batch will be starting on 4th September 2025, and the orientation for the test series will be conducted on 28th August 2025 by Satyakrishna sir. And please do register and crack the prelims in 2026. So if all said, let's begin the discussion with the first question. The first question is actually a prelims previous year question taken from 2018. The question is, what is terminal high altitude area defense? Short form, it is known as THAAD, sometimes seen in the news. Option A, an Israeli radar system. Option B, India's indigenous anti-missile program. Option C, an American anti-missile system. And option D, a defense collaboration between Japan and South Korea. See, here the correct answer is option B, an American anti-missile system. And coming to the next question, with reference to India's human spaceflight program, consider the following statements. Statement 1, Vyomanaut is a female humanoid robot developed by ISRO to assist the astronauts in Gaganyaan mission. Statement 2, Vyomitra refers to Indian astronauts who will be participating in India's human spaceflight program. And statement 3, the first crewed Gaganyaan mission is planned to be launched from the upcoming Kulashegirapattanam spaceport in Tamil Nadu. So which of the given statements is or are incorrect? So they are asking for the incorrect statement. So we will go through the statements. Vyomanaut is a term that we use to mention the Indian astronauts participating in the space flight program. So if you go to Russia, they will be using the term cosmonaut. So similarly in India, we have the Vyomanaut to mention the people who are participating in the space flight program. Vyoma, which means space, and naut, that be taken from the astronaut or cosmonaut. From that way we taken the naut. Together we will call it Vyomanaut, the person who is participating in the human space flight. And the next is Vyomitra. It's a humanoid robot developed by ISRO to assist the astronauts in the Gaganyaan mission. So they simply reversed the statements. So the statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Coming to the statement 3, the first crewed mission is planned to be launched from the upcoming Kulashegirapattanam spaceport in Tamil Nadu. No, it is planned to be launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. So the all the 3 statements are incorrect. Let's check. Yes. So coming to the next question, with reference to Bloom syndrome, consider the following statements. Statement 1, it is an autosomal recessive genetic disorder caused by mutation in the BLM gene affecting the DNA repair. Statement 2, individuals with this syndrome have a high risk of developing various types of cancer. Which of the given statements is or are correct? So they are asking for the correct statement. Let's check the statement 1. It is an autosomal recessive genetic disorder. Yes, because both the parents should have the faulty gene to inherit this condition to the child. And it is caused by the mutation in the BLM gene. Yes, BLM gene mutation is the reason, because because of the mutation, the BLM gene will not be able to produce the protein, and that will affect the DNA repairing. So that will lead to other complications. So the statement 1 is correct. Coming to the statement 2, individuals with this syndrome have a high risk of developing various types of cancer. Yes, they are at 150 to 300 times. They are at the high risk of developing cancer comparing with the general population. And people with this condition, that is nearly 80% of the people with this condition will develop cancer before the age of 40. Here the both statements are correct. Therefore the correct option is option C, both 1 and 2. Yes. So the next question, integrated airdrop test recently conducted by ISRO for the Gaganyaan mission is primarily related to option A, testing crew life support system in orbit. Option B, validating the parachute-based deacceleration system during the re-entry. And option C, stimulating microgravity conditions on Earth. And option D, demonstrating docking capability by space station. So we know that the Gaganyaan mission, we are expected to be, we are expecting in the first half of the 2027. So in the meantime, the ISRO is planning for nearly thousands of tests, covering all the major phases of the operation of the mission. That includes from launching to re-entry. So this integrated airdrop test is primarily focusing on testing the efficiency of the parachute. That means the validating the parachute based deacceleration during the re-entry. So we have to understand the real world condition. So how this technology will work in the real world condition. So that is the major objective of this airdrop test. So here the correct answer is option B, validating the parachute based deacceleration system during the re-entry. Yes. So coming to the next question, it is about the MISHTI. So with reference to the MISHTI, that is Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitat and Tangible Income, scheme launched by the Government of India, consider the following statement. Statement 1, it aims to restore the mangrove cover over approximately 540 square kilometer across 9 coastal states and 3 union territories during 2023-28. So the term of this initiative is 5 years. So it was launched in 2023 and the term is 5 years. Therefore, the first statement is correct, and the major objective of the scheme is restoration of the mangrove. And the next statement, MISHTI is being implemented through convergence of national programs like CAMBA and MG Narega and other sources. Yes, we know that the objective is restoration of the mangrove forest through community participation. Therefore, it includes the convergence of various national programs, including Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme and CAMBA. So CAMBA, we know that it is it is looking for the restoration of the lost forest vegetation and all. So therefore, the people's participation is very important, and therefore the convergence of this scheme is also very important, and therefore the statement 2 is also correct. The scheme mandates public-private partnership to finance and execute mangrove restoration. There is no such mandate, so therefore the statement 3 is incorrect, and they are asking for the correct statements. The option is option B, 1 and 2 only. So the first statement and the second statement are correct. So coming to the mains question, the question is, nutrition in the early childhood is not merely a health concern but a determinant of long life cognitive development and human capital formation. Examine the linkages between nutrition and cognitive development in children, suggest policy measures to address the challenges in India. So it's a 50 marks question and you have to write around 250 words. So the question is asking about the importance of early intervention in the children to ensure better cognitive development and its importance in the human capital formation, because today's children are tomorrow's citizens. So they should have a better cognitive ability to for better productivity and problem solving and managing their life. So therefore the early intervention is very important, because the nutrition not only determines the physical health, it also determines the mental health as well as the cognitive development. And examine the linkages between between nutrition and cognitive development in the children. Yes, because we can see that if the children lacks iron deficiency, lacks iron, then it can lead to low development of language and cognitive abilities in the children. So the recent study from the Tamil Nadu found it, and you can mention here, and suggest policies to address the challenges in India. So the major challenges, what are the major challenges in India? Slow progress of the schemes. For example, we have like we already discussed in the morning, we have successfully reduced the maternal mortality rate. We made a lot of improvements in the public health, but at the same time the progress of these programs are very slow. So we have to take measures to make it faster, and at the same time ensuring better coverage is a challenge because of the migration of the people, and the expanding the benefits in the urban area is a great challenge. And technological integration, because for regular monitoring of the health of the children and mother, we need a constant monitoring of the a technology for constantly monitoring their health. So the technological integration is very is a challenging one, because implementing the technology is easy, but at the same time people have to adopt it. For that we need better programs, better awareness programs, and these are the challenges we can address, and what are the measures we can take. So the measures, like I already mentioned, these are the measures. For example, going for better technology, creating awareness about the the ICDS program, and at the same time improving the ground level work. So these are the measures we can take, and we know that we already discussed some of the initiatives launched by the government in the morning, so you can quote here. So with all these hints, try to answer the question and post it in the comment section. We will review and we will reply for your answer. So with this, we are coming to the conclusion for today's question analysis. If you like the video, hit the like button, give your feedbacks as comments, and share this content with your friends. And before leaving this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to receive on-time update from Shankar IAS Academy. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice evening.